Okay, so hi everyone. So we are going to make the Kashmiri chai. Now I don't have the video for the kava, but I made the kava earlier, and I will show a separate video on how to make the kava. Right now we'll go ahead and make the I have the pistachio here, but I'm gonna blend it real quick. I already have some milk in here with some sugar in there. Okay, let's put some of this pistachio also in here. Giving it a little good whisk here. Now we start adding the kava, that Kashmiri tea extract. So I didn't add any baking soda to it, so I'm not gonna get that exact pink color here, but it's, you know, it's natural, so I like it this way. You start adding a little bit, and you keep stirring the milk here. Now we are waiting for it to give it a good boil here, and starts boiling, then we'll serve it. So it's very, very light pink color, very light, not really pink color, but very light, you know, kind of nice color to it, but I like it this way. So I'm just gonna let it boil here. So I'm just giving it a good stir again, because I tasted a little bit and it was a little bit low in sugar, so I did one tablespoon of sugar in here, and I'm giving it another stir, and I'm just gonna let it sit and boil here. Alrighty. Okay, it's all ready to serve now. there we go. We have our Kashmiri tea ready. Just enjoy this. It's such a nice, lovely weather right now. I know it's gonna also, we have some storm news, so hopefully we all stay safe and we stay inside your home and make some Kashmiri chai. Okay, bye bye.